Welcome back all of you to our online platform, that is our school's YouTube channel. So again we are ready with today's video. This video is for class 6 and the subject is maths, and we are continuing the same chapter, that is chapter number 9, and the name of the chapter is data handling. As we have already started the exercise 9.1 and we have discussed question number 1, 2 as well as question number 3. In these questions the information was given, and using that information we are supposed to construct, or we are supposed to prepare a table using tally marks. But now in question number 4 already a pictograph is given. Now what is a pictograph? Pictograph is a table in which the pictures are used to provide the information. So the table given is like this. First of all, first column is for village, second column is number of tractors, and here upside the scale is also given. So how many villages are there? A, B, C, D, E. So that is for A, B, C, D and E. Villages and then number of tractors. So that is village A, then B, C, D and E. Now here in pictograph the scale is also required, that the picture displayed there what type of information that is providing. So we cannot draw the tractor here, so we will draw one box is equals to one tractor. It is very hard to draw the tractor here, so in place of tractor we are drawing a box. So in village A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 boxes are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. In B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then in C 8 are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and then 8. 8 boxes are there. Then in village D there are 3. So 3 boxes will be there. In E, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So like this the pictograph is there. What is that? Pictograph. Pictograph. In the pictograph the tractor has been used to display the number of tractor. One diagram equals to one tractor. So in village A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 tractors are there. In village B, 5. In village C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In village D only 3, and in village E 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the number of tractors. At the end of or below the pictograph on the next page, the questions are given. Observe the pictograph and answer the following question. Which village has the minimum number of tractors? Minimum number of tractors are 3, and village D is having the minimum number of tractors. Which village has the maximum number of tractors? Maximum number of tractors is 8, and village C has 8 number of tractors. Now the third, how many more tractors village C has as compared to B? C and B we have to compare C and B. So C is having more, 8 minus 5 is equals to 3. So village C is having 3 more tractors than village B. What is the total number of tractors in all the 5 villages for total? So we are supposed to add 6 plus 5, 11, 11 plus 8, that is 19, 19 plus 3, that is 22, 22 plus 6, 28. Afterwards we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. In all the villages, the number of tractors are 28 in total. So in such type of questions, the pictograph is given and we are supposed to answer the questions. Now we cannot draw all the pictograph on the board, so we will discuss the questions. That next question is question number 5. In question number 5, the pictograph is given which is providing the information regarding the girl student. So first of all we will read the question. The number of girl student in each of the class of a co-educational middle school is depicted by the pictograph, means it is being displayed by the pictograph. So one face is equals to 4 girls. Here one figure was equals to 1 tractor. Here the scale is given, one face is equals to 4 girls. So in class first, how many faces are there? 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 faces are there and one face is equals to 4. So 6 4 ja 24. In first class there are 24 girl student. In second class 1 2 3 4 4 pictures are complete, means 4 4 ja 16, and one half is there. Half means 2. So 4 4 ja 16 plus 2 18. Now in third class 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 ja 20 girl students are there. In fourth 1 2 3 3 means 3 4 ja 12 12 plus 2, because half face means 2, 12 plus 2 14. Now in fifth 2 complete faces are there, means 8, and one half 8 plus 2 10. Now 6 1 2 3 4 4 4 4 ja 16. In 7th 3 4 ja 12, and in 8th one face is there, means 2, and one half face is there. One face is there means 4, and one half face is there means 2. 4 plus 2 6 girl students are there in 8th class. So afterwards we are supposed to discuss the question and we are supposed to answer the question given below. A is which class has the minimum number of girl students? So from the picture only we can see that 8th class is having the minimum number of girl student. B, is the number of girls in 6th less than the number of girls in 5th? No, in 6th class the number of girls are more than the class 5th. C, how many girls are there in class 7th? In 7th there are 3 faces are there and one face equals to 4 girls. So 3 4 ja 12 girl students are there in class 7. So like this only we are supposed to use the information given in pictograph. 2 important things are there. One, in pictograph the pictures are used. Second thing, the important thing, the scale is also given here this side, that is the scale which we are supposed to use for the calculation. Here that is only 1, and in the next question, that is question number 5, one face equals to 4, means if 2 faces are there means 8, if 2 and half faces are there means pen. So scale is also important in pictograph. So in this way you can attempt the question. First of all, you are supposed to observe the pictograph, and afterwards you are supposed to answer the question which have been given after the pictograph. In 6th question also, the sale of electric bulbs on different days of the week is shown below, and one bulb, the picture is there, one bulb is equals to 4, one bulb is equals to 2, one figure is equals to 2 bulbs. So on Monday the sale of the bulbs are 1 2 3 4 5 6 pictures are there. So 6 to 12 bulbs have been sold on Monday. So like this we are supposed to use the information given, and we are supposed to proceed the question. So I hope that you have understood. Now you can try all the questions in this exercise, and after completing your work you are supposed to take the pic of that, and you are supposed to upload on the school's WhatsApp number, so that we can also maintain the record of the name of the students who are completing their work on the daily basis. At the same time, if you are facing any kind of problem, or if you are having any kind of doubt, then you can message us or you can even call us. We will try to rectify your doubt so that you can easily proceed the questions given in your textbook. Thank you very much.